right, so I'm out here today with Captain Rick. Captain Rick, what do we have going on today?
We have Blessing the Fleet in our Galveston Yacht Basin. It's basically a blessing to bless all a safe trip for every charter outfit out here. It doesn't matter if a competition, friends or not, but the most important thing is we're all blessed and we're safe. And we're just here together as friends and family and make sure things go right. And here we are on Upboat Ventures. Make sure we make it happen, Captain.